What do you think about the idea of building wealth? Does it seem too complicated? Or do you believe it's something anyone can achieve? The truth is, anyone, regardless of their current financial situation, can start building wealth. It's not just about having a high-paying job or relying on luck. It's about adopting simple, consistent habits that, over time, compound and lead to significant results. Wealth building is a gradual process that's accessible to anyone. In this video, we'll explore 8 simple wealth-building habits that can make a big difference, no matter your income level. Let's dive in and discover how you can start today. 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most powerful wealth-building habits anyone can start today is paying yourself first. This principle is incredibly simple, yet highly effective. As soon as you receive your paycheck, you immediately set aside a portion of it for savings and investments before spending a single dollar on anything else. Paying yourself first means prioritizing your financial future. It's about treating savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or utility bills. The goal is to set aside a specific percentage of your income, even if it's just 10% or 20%, and place it in an account dedicated solely to your future growth. By doing this, you ensure that saving becomes an automatic part of your financial routine. It takes the guesswork and effort out of saving because you've already made it a priority. This habit helps you build a savings cushion or investment portfolio over time, even if you're living on a tight budget. It also removes the temptation to spend the money you should be saving. Over time, as you consistently pay yourself first, the amount you set aside will grow into a significant sum. This is how wealth building begins, and it sets you up for long-term financial success, whether you're saving for retirement, an emergency fund, or your future goals. The earlier you start, the more powerful this habit becomes. 2. Live below your means. Another key habit to building wealth is living below your means. It may sound simple, but many people struggle with lifestyle inflation, which occurs when you increase your spending as your income rises. It's a natural temptation. As your paycheck grows, so does the desire to upgrade your lifestyle. However, if you want to build lasting wealth, the key is to resist the urge to overspend. Wealth building requires a different approach. Instead of inflating your spending with each raise or bonus, focus on controlling your expenses. The wealthiest people are often those who choose to live modestly, even when they could afford more. They understand that the true path to financial independence doesn't come from constant consumption, but from disciplined spending. By living below your means, you create the space to save and invest the difference. That extra money is what fuels wealth creation. When you're not chasing the latest trends or upgrading your lifestyle unnecessarily, you have the flexibility to allocate more funds to savings, investments, and other wealth-building strategies. Living below your means doesn't mean living without enjoyment. It means prioritizing long-term financial security over short-term gratification. By being mindful of your spending, you allow your money to work for you, enabling you to build wealth faster. The less you spend today, the more you can save and invest for a more secure future. This habit ensures that your wealth grows consistently over time, regardless of how much you earn. 3. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is a critical habit for building wealth. If you don't know where your money is going, it's easy to waste it on things that don't add value to your life. Financial experts recommend tracking every dollar you spend to understand your financial behavior and see where improvements can be made. There are many tools and apps available that can help you monitor your spending, such as budgeting apps, spreadsheets, and even simple pen and paper methods. These tools can help you identify areas where you might be overspending or making impulsive purchases. Once you see where your money goes, you can make smarter choices and cut out unnecessary expenses. It's not just about saving. It's about optimizing your spending to serve your long-term financial goals. The more aware you are of your spending habits, the easier it is to control your finances and build wealth. By keeping track of your expenses, you can eliminate wasteful spending, redirect funds to savings and investments, and make every dollar work harder for you. This habit can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey by making sure that your spending aligns with your values and financial goals. 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a foundational element of wealth building. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, can throw your finances into chaos. That's why it's crucial to set aside a portion of your income for emergencies. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. The goal is to create a safety net that allows you to handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. Starting small is okay, but make it a priority to build this fund over time. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and keeps you from derailing your wealth-building efforts during difficult times. 5. Invest consistently. Investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. Saving alone is not enough because inflation erodes the value of your money over time. Investing allows your money to grow and work for you. One of the most powerful tools for building wealth is compound interest, which means you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need to be an expert to get started. Investing in low-cost index funds or retirement accounts is a great way to begin. By investing consistently, you can take advantage of compound interest and grow your wealth passively. 6. Avoid bad debt. Bad debt is a wealth killer. This type of debt includes high-interest credit card balances, payday loans, and anything that doesn't provide long-term value. The more you rely on bad debt, the harder it is to build wealth. On the other hand, good debt, like a mortgage or student loan, can be used to help you invest in appreciating assets. But bad debt, especially high-interest consumer debt, will keep you stuck in a cycle of borrowing and paying interest with little to show for it. A great habit to start today is to avoid accumulating bad debt. If you have any high-interest debt, make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. The less money you spend on interest, the more you can save and invest in your future. 7. Continuously educate yourself about money. Wealth building is not just about making money. It's about knowing how to manage and grow it. One of the best habits anyone can develop is committing to continuous financial education. The more you know about personal finance, investing, and the economy, the better decisions you'll be able to make. Reading books, attending seminars, listening to financial podcasts, and even consulting with financial advisors are all great ways to expand your knowledge. As your financial literacy increases, so does your ability to make sound decisions that will help you grow your wealth. Educating yourself about money is an investment that pays dividends over time. 8. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Many financially successful people have multiple streams of income, which gives them the ability to weather financial downturns and grow their wealth faster. In today's economy, creating additional income streams is easier than ever. You can start a side hustle, invest in rental properties, or create passive income through online ventures. Even small side gigs like freelance writing, tutoring, or selling products online can bring in extra cash that can be invested. By diversifying your income sources, you make your financial future more secure and open up more opportunities to build wealth. There you have it, 8 simple wealth-building habits that anyone can start today. These habits aren't about making big changes overnight. They're about consistently making smart financial decisions that add up over time. Whether you're paying yourself first, building an emergency fund, or investing for the future, these habits will help you take control of your financial future and start building wealth for the long term. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on wealth building and financial freedom. Let us know in the comments which habit you're going to start today. See you in the next video.